Find the best screen printing machines on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 12 best screen printing machines on the market. 12. ePhotoInc New Digital Swing Away Digital Heat Press Machine. The advanced digital heat press machine from ePhotoInc is suitable for home use, industrial use, and professional use. Generally, this machine is perfect for garments, t-shirts, mouse mats, bags, ceramic tiles, jigsaw puzzles, plates, and different flat surfaced items. In addition, the digital temperature and intuitive display let you use this press machine effectively. Being prepared with a time controller, you would have an easier time managing over the work. 11. Techtongda Silk Screen Printing Machines. The appealing quality about this silk screen printing machine is its screen frame that can be rotated independently throughout the 360 degrees. Every screen frame chuck is precisely configured using the manual micro-adjusting knobs. More importantly, all such tools would guarantee that the overprinting is made precise. To make the pallet more stable, there is the presence of the metal support beneath every pallet. 10. Merch Macro All-in-One Screen Printing Kit for T-shirts. Merch Macro is one of the best t-shirts printing kit which allows its owner to print images with multicolor. It uses hot swap processing which enables you to alter the screen quickly. In addition to this, the quality printed on the t-shirt is very satisfying. Regarding the materials of this printing press, it is produced with strong steel. 9. ZENY Pro 6-in-1 Combo Screen Heat Press Machine. The 6-in-1 combo machine proves to be the well-built hat press and mug heat press machine. This machine unit offers multifunctionality for various purposes. In addition, different accessories in this press machine allow you to be used at once. There are no hassles to choose the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Furthermore, the incorporated structural support retains flatness. It can be instantly warm up without any troubles. 8. Fancierstudio Industrial Quality Screen Printing Heat Press. The 15 by 15-inch digital heat press machine from Fancierstudio is quite simple to operate and presents professional results. Whenever you intend to prepare shirts for your friends or family, this digital heat press machine would create a lasting impression. Generally, it functions excellently in both domestic and commercial settings. Moreover, it can accomplish different sizes of jobs with excellent durability. Its simple-to-use design facilitates sturdy operations. 7. INTBUYING Double Rotary Manual 6 Colors Silk Screen Printing Press Machine. The combinatorial design of the silk screen printing machine saves place. Moreover, there are no hassles regarding transportation. From the brand INTBUYING, in the 6 colors, the silk screen printing machine comes with the adaptable double spring devices. These devices are made available for screen frames of varying weights. The maximum frame size capacity is 16x20. 6. Techtongda 6-color 6-station double-wheel screen printing machine. The 6 colors 6 stations double wheel-based screen printing machine is heavy-duty in nature. Generally, it is used for t-shirts and DIY uses. When you start using this double-wheel screen printing equipment, you would find complete simplicity and there are no troubles to assemble the parts. There is the use of sturdy steel material in the construction and the efficiency is also high. 5. INTBUYING Screen Printing Machine. If you want to have your t-shirt printed with one color, this printing press machine will be your best selection, and it is very economical. Furthermore, you will be satisfied with the quality of the printing on your t-shirt. It provides a clear image effect on your t-shirt along with the accurate position where you want the pictures printed despite the fact that it can print only one color. 4. Simple single one-color one-station t-shirt silk screen printing machine. The NS101 silk screen printing equipment is exclusively designed for one-color t-shirt screen printing. With the use of its t-shirt palette, precise positioning and excellent printing effect are guaranteed. The useful aspect of this machine is it could be applied to printing over substrates that require overprinting. These include a bag, pillowcase, non-woven bags, and many more. Its rational, simple, and practical construction make it a perfect choice. 3. Mophorn one-station one-color screen printing machine. The versatility of this silk screen printing machine allows convenient printing on different materials like the bag, t-shirt, pillowcase, non-woven bags, and many more. Normally, this equipment is exclusively prepared for t-shirt screen printing due to its unique t-shirt palette. This kind of uses ensures precise positioning and outstanding printing effect. Its practicality and simple functioning allow this one-station one-color screen printing machine to be used for printing on woven fabric, t-shirt, metal, plastic, paper, wood, circuit board, glass, leather, ceramic tile, and several plain printing substrates. 2. VEVOR screen printing machines. The note for the quality of this VEVOR screen printing machine is it comes with the spring device design. The exceptional design of the spring device's presence inside the screen allows easy adjustments in the vertical direction. Moreover, it is simple for the user operations based on the weight and overall sizes of the screens. This VEVOR screen printing machine is suitable for wide applications. 1. VEVOR 8" digital multifunctional sublimation auto countdown heat press machine. This auto countdown heat presser from VEVOR can be used for different applications like caps, t-shirts, ceramic plates, mugs, tiles, lettering, mouse pads, coasters, jigsaw puzzles, other miscellaneous fabrics and many other materials. This 8" one digital heat presser is capable to transfer colorful pictures. Moreover, it can also transfer the characters of sublimating and melted printing ink over glasses, ceramics, and textiles like flax, nylon, cotton, and chemical fiber, etc.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.